Hello, we are working with logs today, and today we are looking at how we can rewrite them. So to rewrite this into an exponential, the way that I show my students to do it is I kind of make a little snail, if you will. I don't know. The base is still the base, so it's 2 to the x, that's where the exponent actually is, and this is equal to 32. The reason we write logs is so that we can plug things in to actually solve for exponents. That's the whole purpose. So that's how you would go ahead and rewrite that as a log. Then to solve for x, I'm just saying 2 to the what equals 32. Well, 2 to that one you can guess and check. But 2 to the 5th would give us our answer there. I do the same thing here. 2 to the x is equal to 1/2. So what do I need to do to the 2? I need to flip it, so that's going to be negative. And then I don't need to do anything else to it because that's all I need to do. Let's flip it. So 8 is on the base, so it's still on the base. 8 to the x, this is where the exponent hangs out all by itself up there. Well, 8 to the what equals 0? This is impossible. Because there's nothing that I could repeatedly multiply 8 by to actually get zeros. That's a tricky one. Let's go ahead and look at 8 and see how this one's different. We got 0 in the mix here again, so we'll see what happens. 5 again is on the base. 5 to the 0 equals x. Remember, what to the 0, anything to the 0 is 1. So that's a little bit different. Here I rewrite it. I have 10 to the x is equal to 10 squared. Now look at that carefully. Don't go all crazy. I'm trying to figure out what x is. Do you see what x would have to be? Hopefully you see it as a 2. Let's go ahead and look at this one. X to the negative 1 is equal to 2. I need to make sure that when I flip it, I end up with a 2. So this flipped would be a 2. So that would be my answer. Again, the base is the base. The x is all by itself. The exponent's all by itself. Again, I need to flip this, so I'm going to need a negative to do so. But then I also want the 3 to turn into a 27, and 3 times 3 times 3 would give us 27. 8 to the 1/3 is equal to x. That means, if you recall, the cube root of 8. So what times itself 3 times is 8? The answer, my friends, is 2.